Alright, we'll try this angle, see how it works for you. Okay, I got a nitro system. 2 nitro systems. A blank off plate. 1 blank off plate. Goes right there. Plug the hole up. I don't know if you can see that much down there anyway. Yeah, you can see it. You can see. So exciting. More goop. Use gaskets around there. It's goop. Lots of goop. Okay. Let that sit for a minute. Minute's up. Where's the bolts? 1 bolt. I got 1 bolt. How many does it take? It takes 2 bolts. It takes 3 altogether. Okay, the plate has 1 bolt. Yep. We're missing some bolts. That's the problem. You know they're out. Ah. Bolts. It's a good thing we found more bolts. Alright. Goop's getting dry. Okay, let's see. 1 bolt there. That bolt we leave out. This bolt goes here. Stick her down. Goes in here. Before I get too deep, I should hook this up. Nitro's hooked up. Okay. Stuff all goes in here. What am I hitting on? I'm hitting everything. That's what I'm hitting on. Oh, it's got this oil line over here, that's why. Tight clearances. This one here is a little snug on that fitting. This one here needs to go up a little higher, get some clearance. See if it'll move. Not that much it will. Okay. 1/16 appears to be missing. Yeah. 5/8, 1/2 inch, 1/16 it is. Okay. Now let's see what I do to get into there now. Somebody's in my way. I need over here. Well, we're leaking oil already. Bleeding tribodine out of the oil line. Why is it doing that? That's unknown. It's not supposed to be leaking out of there. That's another problem. We have to deal with it. Okay. With limited space to get in here. There, that's tight. This one's underneath a bunch of lines. Have almost zero access to get in here. Nitrous line in the way here, it's not going to let me do this. That one. There we go. It's lines in the way. So these are flex style lines, and that one's leaking. It's leaking right out of this fitting right here. That's going to be a problem. Typical stuff that never gives problems is giving problems today. That one can't get to. How do we get onto that? Don't have access to get to that. Come in here with this wrench. There's how we go. Tack cable's going to come out. That's tight. Just had to get the right pecking order there, what to take off. Everything is in the way. Okay, this one comes through here, like that. Take the tack cable off again. Where's the big wrench? Okay. Let's see if we have to move that some more maybe. I don't know. Probably about right there. We'll see how that works. Might have to adjust it. Okay, those two are tight. Those are all on there. Hopefully these line up to where they're supposed to be. If not, I got to readjust that plate. We'll see. You don't know until you hook up all the nitrous stuff. See how it lines up. It has a bunch of fittings on this carbonator over here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chingasos to squirt fuel into my motor. Look at all them things. All kinds of them poking in there. I don't run too much go juice, do I? Alright. Back over this one. Wrenches Like I said, I might have to readjust this whole plate. For now, it's tight. Okay. So our voltage system here. This goes up along this edge here. This thing here kind of just shoots down the hole right there, out of the way. This goes up over here and just supposed to have some zip ties holding that up there and some field lines. So it goes over there. I think this was jammed in there further before. Yeah, this used to sit here. Something different here. It's not tucked down in there like it's supposed to be. Yeah, this is different. Supposed to be down on this side over here. So what do we got going on? We got some stuff that's taped off over here. So. Okay, this one here is plugged up. So we disconnected this line here. There's some modification being done over here on this stuff. Okay, that's supposed to go down there. This is easy shooting down this area. Yeah, I'm not sure. We're going to do something over here about eating parts up, so right now we're running disconnected parts. So this is the nitrous hookup right here, which goes into this one here. That goes like that. It's tight. And you adjust the torque on this, dictates the circle where this sits at. So right now it's not in the right spot. So I'm going to loosen it up a little bit, twist it around to where I want it to be, then tighten it. Kind of sit in the angle I want to have it sitting at. So that might change too, I don't know yet. This stuff's all kind of different how it used to be, so we only got one fuel line hooked up over here, not both. So I'm using this as an enrichment device. So there's only one group of solenoids feeding right now. I don't know which one it is, but only one of them. I'll have to hit the button to see which one flows out of. Figure out which one it is. Well, it's capped off, so let's see here. This one's capped. Yeah, I can't see. Now, I'll have to figure that out here in a few minutes. Okay. So this is going to go up to there. That should be alright. Alright. Need to put some more parts on here. I'm waiting for a big carbonator to go on there. Guess I got to figure out what jets are going to go in this thing. Bunch of unknown stuff. Let's put the head on it. Hell with it. We'll just put the head on it. Alright, we'll be back.